Welcome to the showcase of luxury and power. Behold the customized Mahindra Scorpio, ready to dominate the road. Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this stunning modified blue Scorpio with its aggressive front grille and brilliant LED headlights.
Check out these projector headlights and the bright LED DRLs. The hood scoop adds to its power, while this custom grille gives a premium look. Now just look at these massive wheels. They feature a premium gold alloy finish. Paired with these high-performance tires, they offer a perfect handling upgrade. It is truly stunning. Just take a look at this side profile. The stance and the custom wide body kit are unreal. Those gold wheels make it a head-turner. This is modification at its finest. Welcome back to the workshop. Today we are upgrading this Scorpio. Look at that perfect fitment. Stay tuned for the final reveal. Now we focus on suspension and fitment. Perfect handling requires absolute precision. The team is aligning these gold alloys to ensure a flawless ride on the road. That is how you achieve perfect stance and performance. Take a look at these upgraded LED headlights. They offer incredible brightness and a sharp beam. The projector LEDs give a cool purple and blue reflection, perfect for night driving. Style meets performance. Welcome to the luxurious of the all-new Scorpio. This Android touchscreen is super receive and smooth. You get complete control right here on the steering wheel. It perfectly combines comfort with top-notch technology. Now this is what I call a luxury cabin. The ambient lighting just sets the perfect mood. It feels so premium and comfortable. You really have to experience it. Welcome back to the show. Today we are driving this beast. It handles like a dream. This modified Scorpio is pure power. See you on the horizon. Experience luxury every day. Check out this incredible beast. It's built to conquer the city streets. Let's compare this stock model to this fully modified version. If you also want to give your car a premium look, then definitely visit Siddhi Vinayak Decor. If you like the video, don't forget to see you with the next amazing car transformation. Bye!